Hey everyone, I am thrilled to be sharing something really special with you today, and that is the Lovevery Liquor Playkit, which is designed for ages 0 to 2 months. As some of you may know, we have recently welcomed our third baby, a precious little girl, and with this being my third go around, I've come to appreciate just how crucial these early stages are for baby's development. They're like little sponges soaking up everything around them, and that's why I'm so excited to dive into the Lovevery Liquor Play Kit, because it's a curated collection of playthings that promises to enrich our baby's early experiences. The Lovevery Play Kit is specifically crafted for the first 2 months of your baby's life, and Lovevery has a reputation for understanding the needs of little ones, and this kit is no exception. What caught my attention right off the bat is the thoughtful selection of playthings. It's not just about keeping the baby occupied, but it's about stimulating their senses and encouraging those important early developmental milestones. So let's take a closer look at what's inside and how it's been working for us. The first item is the Visual Mobile. This is a two-sided mobile, the black and white side that is perfect for babies around 1 to 2 months, and the color side that is for babies once they are about 5 months old. Babies love to examine the world around them, and a mobile hung around 8 to 12 inches from their eyes is ideal for visual exploration. The next item in the kit is a surprise gift for the caregiver. It's a mug that says, "The days are long, but the years are short." And as a mom of 3, I've definitely found this to be true. But it's a nice reminder when I'm drinking my coffee to take a moment and appreciate the little moments. It can be really hard when our babies are tiny, especially if you have other children, but it is a nice reminder to savor this time because it really does go by so quickly. The next item is a wooden high contrast book. Babies love listening to our voice, and babies are learning sounds, rhythms, and patterns used in our language. Reading to your baby is a great way to connect, and this high contrast book is perfect for catching your baby's interest and spending quality time with them. Next is the Silicone Rattle with a removable ball. This rattle is perfect for watching and hearing a moving object. Visual tracking is a skill that helps your baby build eye muscle strength, and shaking the rattle encourages them to turn their head towards the sound, and it also helps develop hand control as they begin to practice grasping objects. The next items are the sensory links. The sensory links feature high contrast patterns to help capture your baby's interest and help them focus their eyes. They come with hooks so that you can attach them to anything like strollers, car seats, or their play gym. And the links also include texture and sound to stimulate your baby's senses as they grow. These are the black and white mittens. They are perfect for early hand discovery, and each mitten has 2 high contrast patterns, one on each side. The next item is one of our favorites, and it's the standing card holder with black and white cards. These are perfect for tummy time or even on the go, and the black and white cards and the card holder are perfect to offer stimulation and high contrast objects to look at while your baby plays. And of course, I can't forget to mention the play guide, which offers different ways to play with the items, tips from experts, developmental information, and fun activities that you can do at home with your baby. That's all I have for today's video. If you're interested in purchasing the Liquor Play Kit, you can find the link in the description box below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos just like this. I will see you in the next video. Bye!